Hey guys, we've reached the end of yet another year, and as usual, it's time to dole out our annual 01 awards for the best performing devices across several categories launched in the Indian market. The awards are given out on the basis of performance alone, and other factors such as design, build, price, and extraneous features are immaterial. Let's get started with the best performing Bluetooth speakers in 2019. Amongst the array of Bluetooth speakers we received for the 01 awards this year, the Ultimate Ears Mega Boom 3 triumphed. Sporting a solid battery life of nearly 20 hours as per our tests, you get punchy bass response which doesn't veil the fine details in the mids and vocals. The speaker allows for 360-degree sound dispersion, and the sound can easily fill up a large room without sounding jarring. The soundstage is the best amongst the speakers we tested, making it a worthy winner. The Sony SRS XB32 placed as the runner-up in this congested category. It lost out to the Mega Boom 3 owing to the lesser impressive soundstage and high-frequency reproduction, but it does a commendable job with crisp, accentuated vocals and punchy bass response. If bass response is extremely important to you when buying a Bluetooth speaker, the Sony SRS XB32 is the way to go. Bagging our Best Buy recommendation is the Creative Movo Play. A tiny, unassuming speaker that swings way above its league, the Creative Movo Play handles bass well and has sculpted highs. The vocals are a bit muted due to recessed mids, but the overall sound profile is quite pleasant, making the Creative Movo Play a solid budget purchase. There you have it. These were our choices for the best performing Bluetooth speakers in 2019. Let us know what you think about our choices in the comments section, and also remember to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notifications for similar videos. Thanks for watching.